Alright, YouTubers, as you see, this is the Mathews fan. This is the one that works. I have it back up again. I've finished doing a customization to it. If you now notice, there's a pull chain here. This was originally a light kit, but it was broken when I got, so I made use of the hole in the bottom cup. So it now has a 2-speed fan. And you made use of the wiring, as you can see up there. So what I have down here is I have a 20 and a 5 microfarad capacitor, making 25, which gives this thing a low that's fast enough that it will spin. There is quite a difference between low and high still, so I might do a 3rd speed, but there's not that much room for capacitors in there, so kind of at the brim right now. I might see what I can do, possibly getting like a 30, maybe a 40. And yes, I'm talking high values because this thing drives a ton of current. I realized that looking at these tags. Both motors are rated for 1.5 amps. So that's why it takes so much to get low. Speaking of low, let's go ahead and put it on low, shall we? So low is actually very quiet. Still moves a very good amount of air. Very functional fan still. Actually, I kind of like it actually like this, so that's kind of cool. The whole reason for this is because I didn't want to use a solid state or a wall control. I don't know if I would find a wall control for these things though, and everything with solid state would probably make these buzz things, so I didn't want to deal with it. So I've made my little thing. So that's low speed, as we know. That's right, I have the meter now. Let's go ahead and look. Low speed, I'm drawing 1.3 amps. So alright, this is higher than most fans. Let's go ahead and put it on high. You can see there's quite the difference still. It's blowing the blades over here. That's probably not the best place for them, but they'll have to be okay for a little bit. Now it is dropping a whopping 2 amps. So it is under the current draw. So, very cool. Let's go ahead and turn this thing off. Very forceful. Now you may be wondering, why does it look brass on the full chain? Because it is brass. I've actually been considering, since I've done this with customization, I'm probably going to paint parts of it. So I'm going to make this black and brushed nickel. So these blades, these center pieces, the ones on the sides, and the pull chain, I'm going to paint black. Everything else will stay brushed nickel. I'll probably clean everything up. So yeah. Thanks for watching this update video. Bye.